Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, 31st of July 2018. So yesterday the pound, very narrow range, around 55 points, somewhere in that region by the looks of things, 54.74. Again, quiet, the market waiting for Thursday when we have the interest rate announcement and also Carney speaking. Also in recess and second week of the school holes, which is why you're not seeing much movement there. And you can see this again yesterday. It's a very narrow range. The market moving to the upside, but it has got the 20 bar moving average in the way as prices are sideways. I expect more of this today and tomorrow until we get the interest rate news. And the only thing today really is the consumer confidence figures from the US. Everything else is just medium impact. So most people, or traders I would say, on holes and away from their desks at the moment. And in the Dow, a bit busier actually, still a bit of weakness around. You can see the market there. We've got starts off, retraces, a double top situation there, and then prices close back below the DP. See this here, and if the rules are, if the prices are below the DP, it's potentially bearish, and then you see prices eventually making their way once they break the psychological levels. You can see there, and then just finding support down here, not quite at the low of 25,300, but eventually it comes down to it here. And also once prices break the 200 bar, you can see there how it comes back and bangs its head against it before moving lower there. And the bigger picture of the Dow, it's a down day, and you can see prices starting to turn to move back to the upside. What I would be inclined to do here, as it looks at this point on the overnight market, fairly convincing that we're going to have a bit of a rebound. I would certainly draw in this one here, 25,495, 25,5, and also the high to the low on the fib also takes you to a similar area there. I'll just drag this out so we can see what the price is, and then you can see that's just over the 500 level there, 25,519. So in between this and this, you will find some sort of resistance in this market, which will require prices to drive through with some an increase in volume. Certainly an increase on the downside for this market on Friday. Monday dropped off a bit and allows the market to move back to the upside. The selling didn't continue there through yesterday's session, Monday's session. And in Bitcoin, stuck in a bit of a sideways range after its recent move to the upside. You can see there that we've got this bit of sideways going on. We've certainly seen the market move lower yesterday and then come back, but we are seeing some weakness here, and after the move to the upside, which let's have a look, from the low to the high is $2,700, nearly $3,000 rise in Bitcoin there. Again, we'll need to see some sort of a pullback off this, and again this is also showing that the market is sideways and consolidating. The best guess is it will break to the downside. However, until we can take out these levels here, which you'll see, and there, the market will remain sideways too high. But these two levels need to be taken out convincingly. Let's just move to the other one so we can see it. So you can see there we've got the 7850 and the 7791. So let's see how that progresses over the next few days as well. And that's about it really. So we're into that sort of second week of the summer holes, where things can be fairly quiet, and all markets are showing that at the moment. And again, also waiting for FOMC tomorrow. Bank of England on Thursday, and then non-farm payroll on Friday. So we could see things whip up a bit, certainly from tomorrow. Okay, that's it for this one. If there's anything to report, I will let you know. But other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.